Shanghai Yixin Chemical Company Limited was established in the year of 1998. It is located in Shanghai City, where can enjoy convenient transportation and beautiful environment. We have a general investment of 10 million and an office area of more than 260 square meters. Shanghai Yixin Chemical has abundant financial resources and invested into some different factories in different provinces here. We have specialized in chemicals industry for more than 20 years, with aim of providing customers with economical, safe and environment-friendly specialized products and services. Yixin main products include potassium nitrate, potassium carbonate, sodium nitrate, boric acid, borax, potassium chloride, potassium bicarbonate, potassium sulfate, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, zinc borate. We have served for more than 100 companies all over the world. Our products are widely used in glass and ceramic enamel industry, smelting industry, printing and dyeing industry, and agriculture. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different customers' requirements. Our cooperative factories are all big brands in China, and they have special quality inspection equipment to strictly control the product quality. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, high quality, and competitive price. If you need any advice or technical support, we would be happy to provide professional advice. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.